Welcome students to our English lessons. Today we are going to talk about festivals around the world. Festivities that people practice or celebrate around the world. So let's continue with the lesson. The first festival that we are going to talk about is Feria Seville in Spain. In this Feria Seville in Spain, people dance and wear typical clothes, as can you see here in the picture. So they have fun and they enjoy practicing different activities. And the most common activity is the market. So people sell the things, sell souvenirs, or sell another things. And all the people that go to this activity can buy or can acquire any of these things. And we have the New Year in Shanghai. In this activity, people make amazing parties. These are the parties in order to welcome the New Year. We have these other activities that are the Bonfire Night in Lewis and the Independence Day that is celebrated in New York. We have here the Carnival of Rio de Janeiro, in which people enjoy dance and take part in the amazing parties that they prepare for this date, for this celebration, okay? In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use these words in and on. These are prepositions of time that we use when we want to express time, when something happens, okay? So here I have some examples that need you to read. Bonfire night is on November 1st. Feria is always in April. Chinese New Year is in February. The Carnival in Rio de Janeiro starts on Friday. Independence Day is on July 4th. What is the difference that can you see here? The difference. Here you have November 5th. Here we have only April. We have February, only a month. This is Friday, a date, or July 4th, that is a date. Yeah. Now, we are going to use the word in when we only have months. You know, we have 12 months that are January, February, April, March, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months. So when you only have the month, like in this case, only the month, no more. The month and no more. You are going to use in, okay? And when you have a date, this is a date. Month and day together. These are dates and only days. You know, we have 7 days. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you have only Friday, you use on. Can you see here? You have Friday and you use only on. And here we have a date, we have a month and a day. Month and a number of the date, so we use on. Okay, this is the basic difference between this. In, when you have only the month, any of the 12 months that we have. And on, when you have the dates, the 7 days, are dates that are months and the number of the date. Let's talk about these festivities that we celebrate here in Ecuador. So, for example, we have Mother's Day, May, Valentine's Day, 14th of February, Christmas, 15th of December, and New Year, January. Okay, so these are the festivities. And now we are going to complete here the sentences using in and on, according to the information that we have here. Let's see how you do it, okay? So here I have Mother's Day is celebrated May. You have only the month, So you have to use in May. Can you see? Here, Valentine's Day is 14 February. You have a month and you have a date. So you have to use on. These are dates. Christmas is celebrated. You have the month and you have the date, the number of the day. So you need to use on because it's a date. And New Year is January. You have only a month, so you have to use in. Okay, can you see the difference between this? So when you have only the month without a number, you have to use in. And when you have months with numbers, you have to use on. On is also used when you have only a day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Your homework for today's lessons is to research on the internet for more festivities around the world and write when they happen. You have to use the prepositions on and in. Remember on when you have dates and days of the week, and in when you have only months. Write 10 examples. It means that you have to find 10 festivities around the world or in Ecuador. It doesn't matter, there's not the problem. And you have to do something like this. This is an example. Carnival is celebrated in February. You know, in because it is only a month. Yeah. Okay, so your homework, try to use the preposition on and in with your examples. So that's all for the lesson and see you the next class. Bye bye.